integral cosine squared x sine to the 3x dx. Okay, how we solve this problem? The easy way will be to find u from here. So you can say u equals cosine x, don't take a square, u equals cosine x, and you'll see why we do this substitution. It's negative sine x dx. So cosine x is u, so cosine squared will be u squared. And now I need some sine x with dx. So that's why I put here sine squared x and then sine x dx. So this one now I can split into du, and then I have taken u equals cosine x. So what will happen to this? And you have seen in pre-calculus that one known identity is this, equals 1, isn't it? First identity, sine squared x plus cosine squared x is 1. So then you can see that sine squared x is 1 minus cosine squared x, and we have taken cosine squared x, cosine x as u, so it is 1 minus u squared. So then everything now goes to u squared 1 minus u squared du. See the complete substitution now? So not only substitution, you have to do some trick so that you can completely substitute your terms. Now what I get, integration u to the 4 minus u squared du. This is a simple integral now. This u to the 5 over 5 minus u to the 3 over 3 plus a constant. So you guys can substitute back everything, right? It's 1/5 cosine to the 5x minus 1/3 cosine cubed x plus a constant. We're done. So when you solve this problem, you can do some trick like this. Look at here. Say that I'm saying cosine x is my u. Okay, and we'll see why. And then du is negative sine x dx. So I need sine x dx. So I need to split 1 from here. So what do? I'm taking without the limit. Sine to the 4x cosine to the 10x and then sine x dx. Sine to the 4x is sine squared x squared, is that right? And you have seen from the identity sine squared is 1 minus cosine squared x squared, and you have taken u is cosine x, so this one is 1 minus u squared squared, and this integral now becomes sine to the 4x is giving me 1 minus u squared squared, cosine x is u, so 10 exponent is u to the 10, and then sine x dx is negative du. Do you see that? You have transferred everything. So what do you do next? Next, just split it. So when you split, you can get 1 plus e to the 4 minus 2u squared and then u to the 10 du. And then further, you can distribute u to the 10. So you get u to the 10 plus u to the 14 minus 2u to the 12 du. Isn't it simple now? You can just integrate. So I'm integrating. U to the 10 will give me u to the 11 over 11 plus u to the 15 over 15 and then minus 2u to the 13 over 13 plus integral constant, and then substitute back u equals cosine x. So finally in your integral you can write, maybe if you want you distribute your negative sign, you can do that. You have 2 over 13, u is cosine, so cosine x to the 13, you can write here or can put inside, just like the given problem. And then I'm going to minus cosine 15, cosine x to the 15 over 15 minus cosine x to the 11 over 11, and you don't have to add any integral constant because you are going with the integration by definite integral you are doing. So then your limit is 0 to pi by 2, and then you know the results, very simple, right? When you have cosine pi by 2, it is 0, and cosine 0 is 1. So when you plug pi by 2, all the terms will vanish, and then plug 0, then everything will give you just 1. Yeah, so put the limit and it's very simple. Is that okay?